Hello, this is my second video using Google Sheets or Excel to represent scientific data in graphical form. Shortly put, that is creating graphs. The resource is the graphing portion of Google Sheets, or it could actually be Excel. This is to teach kids how to create data graphs specifically for science, and it could be for math as well. The standards that this matches up to is being a leader and also a designer. Prior knowledge necessary for students will need to know how to start a Google Sheet or an Excel spreadsheet, and also to enter data in cells, in columns. This is created through Excel or Google Sheets in this case, and the finished product for the assignment for FHSU is through Screencast-O-Matic. So let's go to the Google Sheet here. So here's the Google Sheet, and I already have the data entered. The students will have to be able to know how to do. You'll notice that it's not necessarily in order. 5 and 4 are reversed, but because of the type of graph I'm making, it doesn't matter. To create the graph, you start by selecting the data. Say Insert, Chart. Chart is created, but this is not the type of chart that you would use for this type of data in a science class. So over here on the right, you're going to choose the type of chart that you're going to use. A lot of kids like the line graph, but that's not the one you use. Here you use a scatter plot. And here you can see that the data is plotted as it should